Welcome to this explanation of a simple C++ program that demonstrates the use of classes. Next, we create a class called CarRecord. This class encapsulates all the details of a car: color, model, and release year. These variables are defined as public, like its ID, company name, meaning they can be accessed directly or through member functions. We define two key functions within the class. The set function is used to assign values to the car's attributes. It takes parameters like the car's ID, company name, color, model, and release year, and assigns them to the class variables. The second function, print, is responsible for displaying the car's details in a user-friendly format, including their ID, company name, color, model, and release year. Now, moving to the main function. We start by creating an array of 5 objects of the CarRecord class. Each object represents a car, and its data is assigned using the set function. Here, we populate the data for 5 cars. Finally, we use a for loop to iterate. Through the array of cars and call the print function for each object. This outputs the details of all 5 cars to the console. In summary, this program demonstrates how to use classes and objects to efficiently manage and display data. It uses user-defined functions for encapsulation and organizes the data in a way that is reusable and easy to understand. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.